Welcome. You have reached the Memorial Baptist Church YouTube page. Now I will share with you a little bit about our church and show you what we do. On the right here is our church office building, the office, the clothes closet, as well as the Deaf Ministries Bible study Saturdays at 11 a.m. meet here. Over on the left is where everything else happens, our services, most events, Sunday school, etc. This week at a glance. Sunday, April 19th at 9:45 a.m., Sunday school, all ages. 11 a.m., morning worship in the sanctuary. Please join us in the sanctuary during Sunday school if you wish to pray for the service beforehand, join on the worship team, or join on the tech team to help with live streaming. We can use all hands on deck. Tuesday, April 21st at 2 p.m., needles and pins in the library. Wednesday, April 22nd at 11 a.m., Helping Hands Clothes Closet in the office building. 6:30 p.m., prayer and Bible study in fellowship hall, as well as discipleship class in the Deaf Connection classroom. Saturday, April 25th at 11 a.m., Deaf Connection Bible study in the Deaf Connection classroom, as well as Helping Hands Clothes Closet in the office building. 2 p.m., Mission Possible Strike Edition at the Spare Times Bowling Alley. Upcoming events. May 2nd is our Caring for Our Neighbors brunch from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. May 3rd, our new members class starts Sundays at 9:45 a.m. during Sunday school like usual. May 7th, our National Day of Prayer service at noon in the sanctuary. NBC's finances at a glance. 2026 total budget $176,464. 2026 budget through April $58,821.33. Budget receipts through April $44,581.09. 2026 April budget receipts $6,514. 2026 April obligations $8,834.64. Received in Bricks for the Kingdom $9,765. Funds needed for Bricks for the Kingdom $200,000. Please use the QR code to support NBC's ministries. We are greatly in need of any penny you can give, and we are grateful for anything. So please donate, and we thank you in advance for that. God bless you, and we hope to see you soon. Memorial Baptist Church at 324 Newport News Avenue, Hampton, Virginia 23669. Our Sunday school classes are at 9:45 a.m. and the main worship service follows it at 11 a.m. We also have Wednesday evening Bible studies at 6:30 p.m. There is also a way for you to give to us. If you feel so led to, there is a QR code that I will show on screen right here for you to give to us if you wish. And we would love to have you come, join us, and be a part of our church. Memorial Baptist Church, sharing the gospel one service at a time. Faith, believe, share.